Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove your PayPal account from your Coinbase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to disconnect your PayPal from Coinbase anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you use PayPal to purchase crypto on Coinbase, you know the limit is pretty small, so maybe you want to go ahead and just completely remove it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disconnect or remove your PayPal, up here on the top right, you're going to click on and once you click there, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the settings menu here off to the left, and you're going to scroll down to payment methods. Okay, once you do that, you want to look for the PayPal logo here on the right. Off to the right, you can see it's only a $3,000 limit. So in order to remove PayPal, click on the gray remove button. Next, you're going to see this. Are you sure you want to remove this linked account to PayPal? Go ahead and click on the blue remove button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the linked account deleted here at the bottom. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your PayPal from Coinbase, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.